Okay, this is a small video for you guys out there that's having problems using the Unger ergotec with the new liquidator channel. I'm quite sure a lot of the guys have been out there today going like that and been left with all this. I myself had to figure out what the problem was. Going like that, and it didn't matter what I tried, it just wasn't happening. Two things I found out was causing that. One was the angle that was blading at. Normally I'll have the butt of my squeegee from the glass about 50mm. So holding it like that, and that's how I normally squeegee. You're doing it with this, it just, as you can see, it just makes a complete mess. But after a little bit of persevering, from the butt of my squeegee to the glass is 50mm. What I found out, if I doubled the angle, now I'm not saying like change your technique, you don't have to change your technique. All you're doing is moving your squeegee from this angle here to there. And then when you do that, so easy. You can see the difference straight away. Just to show you on this window here, right, getting there. That'll be your normal angle if you're cleaning on the window. When you put on the liquidator channel, you're going to have to bring the squeegee out that far. It's the only way you're going to get the results. Otherwise, you'll end up with the mess that I showed you. I tried it myself. That's the angle I like, using it on the glass. But unfortunately with this channel, yeah, the only angle you can use it at is around 100mm. Okay, now I've modified one of these so it enables me to work at the angle, but I don't recommend anybody start messing about with these clips. I just sort of heated mine up, made it fit in our channel, but I don't recommend that, because if you mess it up you're going to have to buy a complete new channel. So concentrate on the angle. If it doesn't work there, try it out a bit. Doesn't, bring it out, and you will find an angle that it will work. Now, detailing, well, most window cleaners will be able to do a very good job of detailing with a normal squeegee, right? But if I can just spin this one round, on this one here, on this one here, you've got the rubbers. You've got the rubbers here. I'm not getting that in, am I? Tell you what, I'll take it off the tripod. Now you can see that one, it's got the rubbers. And normally, in a normal squeegee, when you get the slope down the side there, you can normally dive bomb like that and it will take it off. But what this channel allows you to do straight down pulls like that. See that? And you'll not have any detailing tight against the rubbers. Again, as long as you've got it at the correct angle, you'll be fine. So if you was looking at it, you're starting off, that's why I'd normally start off, I have to bring it out to there. And it does glide very well. But, as I say, you've got to get the angle right when you're squeeging on the glass. Otherwise, you're going to have problems. Like, if you're going like that, it's going to make a mess. That's exactly what you're going to get. So you do it at the correct angle and it glides very well and very easy. The one other thing I will say about this, it seems to be that the rubber needs a lot of breaking in time. Paul Blaze did mention in one of his videos is when you get this channel, spend about 20 minutes or so messing around with it. It's not just to get used to the angle of the channel. I think this rubber really does need broken in as well, and that once you break the rubber in and find the correct angle, you really will be flying. Now, it doesn't matter what channel you put it on. The Pro Grip, it works on that as well. Again, you're going to have to find the correct angle. The Mormon squeegee, well, you can find the angle on that as well. The Unger Ergotec 30 degree. Now, when I had to using this on a pole, I was using it as a swivel, it was like sort of like that angle. Because that has now got to be that angle on the glass, you're going to have to find the correct angle to use this on a pole. I've also had it on the wagtail. I've lost my screw to hold the channel in. I don't know what I've done, I have to find it. But it does work with the wagtail. Again, you're going to have to find the right angle to pull from it. It was the reason I bought the liquidator channel, is because when you're doing downstairs windows, it's quite easy to rectify a mistake. Just be going, if you left a little bit here, then it's quite similar, just go back up and get it. It's quicker to do that than putting your channel away and having to get a scrim out and detailing. So that is the reason that I bought it. So as I know, if I'm using it on a pole, it now allows me to do more straight down pulls, because in a normal squeegee there's every chance you're going to ride up over this rubber, but this actually lets you have more control and a lot more straight down pulls when you've got it on a pole, which is going to make life a hell of a lot easier if you're using a pole. I feel a lot more confident using a pole now with this on it, and as I say, it's the reason why I bought it. All different channels that'll fit. You just, as I said, you're going to have to find the correct angle to use it. So just to show you guys again just how easy it does work with the Ergotec. and all those problems you were having, it was just a case of, rather than being at that angle, you're now cleaning it at that angle. You will find it yourself. Whatever angle you normally clean in it, just double it and it'll work fine. Well, I hope that helps any of you guys that's been having problems out there. Believe me, I've had the same problems myself. It took a bit of working out what the problem was. One, I said, as was the angle, and two, the rubber. It really does need broken in. And I think, if I remember, Paul Blaze was using the squeegee one cold morning. He said the rubber was cold and it was leaving marks. So, yep, definitely break the rubber in. Spend a good 20 minutes. If you don't get the results, take a break for 5 minutes or so, come back to it. Mess about with it again. Have a break and come back again. Do that 2 or 3 times, because it'll come to a stage where you'll come, and what will happen is, you'll find out for yourself. What will happen is, you'll start off and you maybe miss a bit, but within seconds you'll find your true angle again and you'll be off. So as I say, spend a little bit of time playing about with it. Come off it, go back to it, come off it, go back to it. That way, by the time you've done it 2 or 3, 4 times, within seconds, you'll find the correct angle and you'll be away. So you're not actually changing your technique, it's just the angle. Anyway, that's just a quick video, and hope that helps you guys. Thank you.